What's going on, YouTube? I just wanted to come out here real quick and show you guys what the Lamin-X tail lights look like. It's been 3 years since I put them on, and as you can see, they still look pretty good. I mean, still little bubbles underneath, but nothing major. I go through automatic car washes all the times, so the brushes haven't really affected. So yeah, that's what they look like. I'm gonna try to come out here a little bit later and show you what these guys look like at night. I know some of you guys have been asking about that. So yeah, so there you go, your Lamin-X tail light covers after 3 years of use. Still going strong, still look good on the truck. All right, guys, here's the Ram at night with the lights on, so you can kind of see. Go ahead and hit the brake. That's what it looks like with the Lamin-X lights. So yeah, I mean, you can see them fine. Go ahead, you can let go. Yeah, you can see them fine at night. It's not a problem at all. So yeah, I recommend them. I recommend them a lot. They've been great. They look good. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button or leave me a comment. Be sure to check out the rest of the channel, and if there's anything you want to see, just let me know. Go ahead and hit subscribe to keep up with all the updates, product reviews, how-to guides, and maybe some music. As always, thanks for watching, guys.